Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. We are in Palm Atlantis, Dubai. We just checked in and we are being hosted by them, which is so amazing. The next 3 days are fully curated. There's a really cool itinerary ahead of us. I'm super excited about the world's biggest water park. We're going there tomorrow. I can already tell the next 3 days are going to be incredible. First things first, I think you guys can already guess. We're going to be doing a room tour. Let's get started. So as soon as you enter, this is on your left, the bar area. And right in front of me is the room. But here is the bathroom. Aditya, can you please show everyone what the bathroom looks like? This is what the bathroom looks like.
An amazing tub, sink, and the washroom.
We have the washroom right here and then the shower area. There's a bidet and a pot. Everything that you could possibly need. They've kept it right here for us. Thank God there's a full length mirror here. And then we proceed to our room, which is so beautiful. Yeah, it's an open bathroom situation, which you guys know I love. A proper 360 of the room, and then this is the view. So we have the palm facing room, and this is what we can see. Oh my god, honestly it's so beautiful.
You can even see the Dubai skyline right there, and it looks so cool.
I think at night it's gonna be even more beautiful.
Yeah.
I knew that this was gonna be beautiful, but honestly it's breathtaking. It's so beautiful.
Mind blowing.
Also, this just came in. I have a feeling it's gonna be chocolates. What do you think, Aditya?
Yeah, even I think it's chocolates.
Cute.
Dibs on the center one,
This one?
above that.
Okay. Cheers to the best 3 days in Dubai. 0.5 seconds after checking into a hotel room, I have unpacked my entire suitcase. Everything is organized for the next 3 days. The accessories and the bags. We are all ready and off to the Imperial Lounge.
Same outfit.
Yeah, this is gonna continue with the same outfit, of course. We were supposed to go for our hot air balloon ride today, but the weather conditions don't look very favorable.
But it's still on standby. It might happen.
Might.
But seems difficult.
Yeah, so right now we're just gonna go to the lounge. We have complimentary tea, drinks, whatever you wanna grab from there. We checked in around 3, so we haven't really had lunch.
Yeah.
So we're hungry right now, so let's go grab and eat something. Cheers. As I mentioned, we're here at the Imperial Club Lounge. So the great thing about this place is that throughout the day it's open, right? So you can have tea, coffee, a little bit of snacks. Then 3 to 5 में proper high tea snacks मिलते हैं, and then from 5 to 7 you have happy hour. So I feel like if you do happen to stay here, definitely make sure that this is a part of your package.
Food बहुत अच्छा है.
Aditya is really enjoying his calamari and I'm really enjoying the chips with the salsa. The food is really good and there's a lot to choose from. Okay, so we made it to the Lost Chambers Aquarium. Now this has 65,000 plus fishes and Aditya loves aquariums and somehow I've also learned to love aquariums. So let's go check it out. So the weather conditions have gotten better and the hot air balloon is back on. That is what the hot air balloon looks like. I'm quite excited. That was super cool.
It's fun. It's a different experience.
Yeah, it's very beautiful from up there. But one thing that I've noticed is, especially since we are in August, it's summer for them, right? So it's super hot. And then everything else is air conditioned. So you're constantly switching between it being super hot to it being really pleasant. So I'm starting to feel a little bit unwell. Like I'm getting a little dizzy. ये same चीज आदित्य के साथ भी हुआ था this morning.
Yesterday.
Yesterday, this morning, sometime. So here's I am a little bit dizzy as I speak, but hopefully
Let's go sit down.
Yeah, let's go sit down. Hotel room en Fuego was a vibe. It was such a cool restaurant. The food was great, the drinks, I mean overall the presentation was so much fun, and it's such a great like Saturday night, Friday night vibe. We just came back to our room and there's another surprise for us. This is what we've come back to. Very, very cute. The hotel staff has come into our room and done this for us. It feels like we're on our honeymoon.
Not just that. Check this out.
What? I haven't seen it. Actually, the view is what you're saying? Oh. Oh, wow. What's happening in the sky? Not just that, okay? So on my side table, I always have an extension cord. So I left this here with our chargers here. And they've wrapped all of our chargers with these, I don't know what they're called, like cords, so that they don't get tangled. All of our cords rather, have this cable around it. The attention to detail. Here's one more. So I had my sunglasses kept here. They've kept lens cloth next to my sunglasses in case I need to use it. Good morning. It is the next day. We're off to breakfast. 8 baje. उठ के हम जा रहे हैं breakfast. Also, how iconic is their lobby and so on theme. The centerpiece that you see right there is made with 3,000 hand-blown glasses. So pretty. So today we're having breakfast at this place called Saffron. Wow, what a background. Okay, tell me, where exactly are we going?
We are off to the Aqua Venture water park. Test out the different rides and slides that they have.
And the world's biggest water
They
park.
have 105 slides. Obviously, we won't be able to try all of them, but we want to do the main ones at least.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so we've gotten our express passes. We just need to tap this on every ride, I'm assuming. So we're all set. So these are also linked to your room. So in case you want to buy something to eat, drink, you just tap and then it will be billed on your room. We also got these complimentary socks. Wool socks या फिर slide पे पहनने के लिए उन्होंने बोला है, because you can't wear your slippers on the slide. So I guess this will give you grip.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll find out. I'm not really a pro at water parks. In fact, I have to admit that I am kind of scared of water parks. So this is going to be an adventure for me, but as Aditya said, he's going to enjoy it.
I'm going to enjoy it.
I think I will also eventually enjoy it. Let's see, let's go in and get started.
Princess treatment only.
That was so much fun. How was it for you?
Amazing.
Next up is the Storm. For this one, I wasn't qualifying in terms of weight, so both of us have to go together. Only then I qualified to sit on this ride. We have no idea. हमें जो ride दिख रहा है, we're just sitting on it and having fun. My fear is gone. Like it just took me one ride and I'm done.
Good.
I'm all in. Oh my god, I can't believe he's going through it. Oh my god.
This was pretty crazy. There's water all in my ears, nose, mouth. But I would definitely do this again. You cannot miss this ride.
Okay, so we're taking a little bit of a break. We're gonna go eat something. It's lunchtime. I'm starving and it's so hot. So I'm excited to go sit in the aircon. Also, look at how cute Aditya looks. He's become all red. Thoda sa sunburned. Pookie. Looking like Pikachu. Okay, so that's lunch for us. I have the Impossible Burger. Aditya has the chicken burger. And then we have some curly fries. Okay, so now we're going for the shark safari, which I'm so excited about. This is something that you need to book separately, but I already know is going to be epic. I, by the way, have a sweet spot for sharks. I don't know why. I just love watching shark movies or just anything related to sharks.
Those are your go-to movies. Those are her go-to movies. If you ever ask her just what do you want to watch, she'll definitely say something shark.
Yeah, I love watching shark movies, so this is going to be a treat for me. This is how we're going to be going in. Really fascinating. Also, look what we found. We found some shark teeth. Definitely keeping these. Of course, we found them on the floor. Just need to add that in.
Mary's super scared.
So fun. Hello, welcome to the next day. Day 3, our last and final full day here. We are back at Aqua Venture, but today we're here for a very cool dolphin experience. Subah, it's gonna be such a good time. It's a 1-hour experience wherein we're not really swimming in the water.
Yeah.
It's shallow water, right?
Yeah, it's still your waist.
And we get to, I think, touch the dolphins also.
Yeah, meet dolphins encounter basically. It's a dolphin encounter.
Time for lunch. Where are we going, Aditya?
Wave house.
So not only is it a restaurant, but it's also an arcade.
Yeah, where you can bowl, have a surfing game, I think, of sorts.
Yeah, from the
Lot of
outside it
different
looks really cool. I think from the inside too, it's going to be really pretty. So after all of that eating, all we want to do is sleep, lie down. So we decided to do that by the pool. Also, here's Palm Atlantis in all its glory.
It is really hot, no doubt about that, and going in the water does help you chill. But we've ordered a couple cocktails, just going to sit here, chill for some time, then maybe take a dip in the pool, and then we'll see what we do. No idea क्या चालू है. Maddie just sat down randomly on the road and this cat decided to join her.
No, I saw a cat and I decided to join her.
अच्छा.
Hello, welcome to our last day here at Atlantis. I know, I'm really sad as well. Even though the last 3 days have been so jam-packed, I feel like I could have totally stayed here for a few more days. Today we have to check out by 12, so we've woken up early in the morning and now we're gonna go to the pool. Yesterday we were at the beach.
But we didn't go to the pool.
We didn't go to the pool. We were just so happy being at the beach for like 4 or 5 hours that we forgot कि हमारे right पीछे एक pool है. So we're gonna go to the pool, enjoy the beautiful massive pool that they have right now. As always, I think आदित्य को ठंडा लग रहा होगा पानी. But isn't the view just so gorgeous?
Amazing. Beautiful view.
I mean, look at that. So beautiful. So spending the last 3 days here, as we've mentioned quite a lot of times, has been amazing and insane. I didn't know that I needed to come here until I came here. This was never really a part of my like bucket list, wish list, but once I've experienced this, I hope that I can come here back with our parents and enjoy this, because this is such a vibe, and I feel like if this is something that you enjoyed watching, I hope you too can come here and experience this for yourself, because it's been amazing. Aditya, please tell everyone what was your favorite part of the trip.
So I think apart from the beautiful hotel and the lovely food, I think my favorite day has to be the day we went to the Aquaventure water park. I've been to a water park after I think almost 8 to 10 years, and it was amazing. It was so much fun. I'll even make a list of my recommendations right here. But it was amazing. I loved that day and I enjoyed myself at the water park.
Okay, so for me it has to be 2 experiences. I am a big time water baby, right? So just being able to meet a dolphin and pet a dolphin was just insane, and the dolphin was so cute. His name was Soul. That, and then yesterday when we were just sitting by the beach, the Palm Beach is so beautiful. The chairs and the umbrellas, everything is so aesthetic. It's so pleasing to the eye. The vibe was so calming. The water was the perfect temperature. I think, so yeah, those are my 2 faves.